Heilind's EDAC 140 series wire-to-board connectors provide a reliable, high-density connection in a variety of configurations. The 140 series are available in right angle and vertical versions, with 2 to 16 circuits on 2 mm spacing and with shrouded headers. The connectors are offered with surface mount and through-hole terminations, and board retention contacts are available for a more durable connection to the PCB. 3 series can be used on PCBs from 1.2 to 1.6 mm thick and have a low-profile insulator body. They're compatible with leading industry connectors as drop-in replacements for applications such as manufacturing and automation equipment, computers, telecommunications, and wire harnesses. EDAC 140 series connectors are rated for up to 2 amps, 100 volts, and temperatures from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius, and they have contact resistances as low as 10 milliohms.